This is the $850 gaming desktop here with a Ryzen 5 3600 and a RX 580 8GB graphics card, as well as 16 gigabytes of RAM, and that is in the 2x8 configuration. That's what the inside looks like here. The desktop comes with an RGB remote to control the strip on the inside of the case. And this is Rise of the Tomb Raider, and everything is set to very high, which is as high as you can go, and that is the RX 580 at 1080p resolution. I'm going to run this and run the benchmark and show the score. Okay, so the benchmark is complete with Rise of the Tomb Raider, everything on Ultra or very high, because very high is Ultra. And the overall score was 77 FPS with this computer, so really good FPS at 1080p, no complaints. Okay, so this is the Rust benchmark. All settings are set to max, and Rust is a very difficult game to run. Everything is set to max. Experimental, all this is off. And we're going to load into a server. Okay, so this is Rust, everything max. Looking at the water, I'm getting about 63 FPS, everything max. Again, Rust is a very difficult game to run. If I look towards the ground, I'm getting around 76 FPS, and if I look out this way towards the rocks, I'm getting about 62. Okay, so this is Astroneer, the third and final benchmark game. And now this is Astroneer, a more mid to lower end game with everything set there to Ultra at 1080p. So we're going to go ahead and start a new adventure game. And in game, in Astroneer, panning the camera around, looking with everything on Ultra, we are getting around 91 FPS. Depending on where you look, that goes up and down, looking towards the sky, load in some of those clouds, getting around 95 FPS. So 90 plus FPS in Astroneer.